Welcome to Shadow Work for Resilience in an Age of Collapse. This course is designed to help you build the inner strength and clarity needed to navigate the challenges of our time. In this video, we'll introduce the concept of shadow work, explore its fascinating history, and explain why it's more important than ever in today's world of interconnected crises. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how shadow work can help you build the mental strength and resilience needed to face life's uncertainties. Shadow work is the practice of exploring the hidden parts of yourself, the emotions, traits, and memories that you suppress or deny. These aspects, often called the shadow, live in your unconscious mind, but influence your thoughts, feelings, and actions in profound ways. By uncovering and understanding your shadow, you gain greater control over your emotions, heal old wounds, and discover hidden strengths. Shadow work isn't about fixing yourself, it's about embracing all parts of who you are. The idea of the shadow was introduced by Carl Jung, a Swiss psychiatrist and psychoanalyst who lived in the early 20th century. Jung described the shadow as the unconscious aspects of our psyche that we repress because they don't align with how we want to see ourselves or how we want others to see us. But this concept has roots in ancient wisdom. Spiritual traditions like Buddhism and Taoism have long taught the importance of embracing both light and dark within ourselves to achieve balance and harmony. We're living through a time of unprecedented challenges, what many call a polycrisis. Climate and ecosystem collapse, societal tensions, geopolitical instability, and economic uncertainty are all converging to create a precarious world. In such times, mental strength and resilience are essential. Shadow work gives you the tools to navigate fear, anger, and uncertainty by starting with your internal world. By facing your shadow, you can better face the external world, no matter how turbulent it becomes. This course is being offered freely because we believe that building mental resilience and understanding yourself shouldn't come with a high price tag, especially in times of crisis. Our goal is to make this life-changing information accessible to as many people as possible, so you can take these tools and use them to face the challenges ahead with strength and clarity. This course will guide you step by step through the shadow work process. Together, we'll explore how the shadow forms, techniques for identifying and healing shadow aspects, practical tools to build mental resilience, and guided meditations and reflective exercises for transformation. Each video connects shadow work to the realities of living in a collapsing world, helping you build the resilience needed to thrive in uncertain times. Are you ready to begin this journey of self-discovery? Subscribe to this channel and join me in the next video, where we'll dive into how the shadow forms and why understanding it is the first step to building resilience. Step into your shadow. Step into your strength. Together, we'll uncover the hidden parts of ourselves and bring them into harmony with the whole. Let's begin.